Welcome back to KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tikzozo Media. Chapter 2, The Letter. It's my last night with my foster mom, and I must admit I feel sad. She's been my mother and best friend for all these years, never letting me feel like I was a burden. I mean, from as early as I could catch on to conversation, she let me know she wasn't my real mother. She also made sure I knew my parents left me in her care in order to save my life. See, I'm different. Always have been. From my black, thick, coarse, curly hair with white streaks that has a mind of its own, to my dark skin that highlights my best features, which is all of me. I come across as cocky to many as they try to figure out how I could possibly love myself, being mute and all. Of which I ask, how could I not? Harugumi, my foster mom, instilled in me a fearness and love of self when she noticed how insecure I was, when I noticed I couldn't speak, but everyone else could. Harigumi is spiritually gifted. She's what everyone here calls a nganga. She doesn't deal with dark magic, though. She focuses her energy on finding missing loved ones and conversing with the spirits of the forest and the dead. Join us tomorrow for more KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tikzozo Media. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.